How to clear cache on Spender application. Are you guys facing issues to clear cache on Spender app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To clear cache on Spender app, first of all, open settings on your mobile device. After you open the settings, just simply head over to the app settings. After you click on apps, now just simply select Spender application. After you click on Spender application, you will be able to see all these options. Now just simply go over storage. After you click on storage, you can see two options, clear storage and clear cache. You are looking to clear up your cache, right? Just simply clear up your cache. As soon as you click on cache, clear cache, your cache will be instantly cleared. So as you guys can see, the storage of cache, it's 0. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to us. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.